What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you how to earn $250 per day using Google Maps. This is the local edition. So what I mean by this is I'm going to show you what works to make $250 per day using the exact same thing that I use. Okay, the exact same brand, the exact same strategy, exact same program, system, process, whatever you want to call it, that I personally use. But the reason why this is local is because you need to be local to offer some of these services. And let me explain why in just a second. But what I want to show you is how you can make money using Google Maps in 2019. It's very easy, it's very effective, it's very simple. But most people don't realize how much Google Maps affects their business. All right, let me show you this right here. So what to offer locally. This is the exact same program that I use, okay, that I charge $250 for. It's actually pretty simple. I outsource a lot of this stuff, but I do some of this stuff myself. So here's what it is. It's $250. It's a 7-day Google My Business program. Yes, I call it a program. The reason why is because I go in and I do this thing step by step. Okay, first off, increase reviews. If you don't know, let me just go here and let me type in Renton Dentist. There we go, Renton Dentist. Click on Maps. Okay, so if you don't know, but with Google My Business, reviews do matter. Okay, so if you don't have a lot of reviews, then it is gonna kind of hurt your business. It's not gonna move you up in the search. So right here, there's two ads. Let's just go to this one. So Renton Smile Dentistry has 73 reviews and they're a 4.9 star. Okay, Highland Family Dental has 20 reviews. They're a 5-star. Okay, 5-star 15, 3.1 star. Okay, not very good, but they have 16. Okay, this has 41 at 4.7. Okay, you get the idea. Reviews matter. So, what is my dollar off strategy? Well, it's actually very simple. Okay, let me kind of show you what it is. What I do is I put up a very simple sign, something very similar to this one. It says, give a review, get $1 off. So how does this work? Well, there is a computer at, whether it's a cafe, it's a dental office. Now a dental office, it wouldn't just be $1 off. It would be something a little more substantial. At a cafe, at maybe a fast food, or not really a fast food restaurant, but some type of restaurant, maybe a pizza joint, something local, a coffee shop. Okay, give a review, get $1 off. Those work. Okay, with a dental office, it would be something like 50% off, teeth whitening, or get 50% off this Sonicare toothbrush, something like that. Okay, and they work and they're very effective because people want to be compensated for their time for actually leaving a review. Now, when somebody does this, leaves a review, they get $1 off, they get it instantly. Okay, so the computer, the laptop sitting right there at the desk, at the checkout stand, whatever it is, okay, at the reception desk. And when somebody comes up to pay, let's say they're paying the cashier at the end, they just had their coffee and their scones and they're good to go. They're going to come up and pay the $9 for it. Okay, great. But if you want to give a review, you'll get $1 off. Do you want to do that? It's going to take you about 30, 40 seconds. The computer's already there. It's already set up. All you got to do, type in your review. You're good to go. That's it. Okay. So, and it works. It's very effective. Okay. So that is my $1 off strategy. One of the reasons why you have to be local is because I like to add pictures, 50 plus pictures to the business listing. Look at this. Okay. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to click on this one right here. Okay. I'm going to click on that. Click on their listing. Come down here. They have they have 15 total pictures. Okay. That's okay. Let's click on this. Let's see their pictures. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay. You're seeing the building. All right. Seeing more of the building. Okay. Still seeing the building. Oh yeah. I would definitely get rid of that one. Okay. Seeing the dentist. Okay. It's all right. But what would be better than that? Maybe seeing somebody actually working with a client, with the customer, right? In my opinion, if I were to go to a new dentist, for example, if I were to go get my haircut at a new salon, which I haven't been to a new salon in 11, 12 years, okay, something like that. 3 people have cut my hair my entire life. I'm 31, all right? So just to give you an example, I looked up to see about finding a different type of salon, something that I could take my kids to, I could go to as well. And what I realized was nobody locally had pictures of happy customers. Okay, it was all about taking a picture of their scissors, taking a picture of their trimmers, of the seating, of the outside of the building, of the 3 or 4 barbers or whatever you call them, standing in the back. Nobody, I mean nobody, had a picture of a happy customer. Nobody had pictures of the different haircuts that they can do. Nobody had pictures of their pricing. It was like, why would you not add that stuff? And so that's one of the things that I do. Okay, that's one of the reasons why I add 50 plus pictures. For example, just for a barber, I'd go in, I'd add pictures of the outside. I'd add pictures of their parking situation. Maybe it's not very good, and I'd add pictures of it so people know what to expect before they get there. I'd also add pictures of who the people are that run the business, who I expect to see when I walk in that door. Another thing is I'd add pictures of the different supplies that they use. Maybe they do, they have a hair wash station. Maybe they have an eye waxing station. Maybe they have a bikini waxing station. I'd put a bunch of different stuff like that. I'd also, obviously I wouldn't do bikini waxing and have a picture of a customer, but you get the idea. For people that are going to get their haircut, I'd go in and take pictures of a few different people, obviously get their consent. Hopefully they get like a little bit of a discount for consenting to having their picture taken, put it on the website, or on the Google My Business site. But all that stuff, it's going to add up to more than 50 pictures once I'm completely done, all right? Here's another thing. Add 50 plus social media backlinks. And this is one of those tasks that I outsource. The way I go and add social media backlinks is, and when I say I outsource it, I seriously outsource the entire thing. So one of the things I like to do is I like to go over to Fiverr. So you can see I'm right here at Fiverr, and Fiverr.com. You can see it up here. And I typed in social media backlinks, okay? So, and you can type in social media promotion, stuff like that. I just do social media backlinks. And there's a bunch of different ones, okay? The one I clicked on was actually down here. Where is it at? I think it was this one right here. I will manually create all social media and blog accounts, okay? Okay, you can do that. I will do a 200 bookmarking guaranteed. Do follow backlinks. All right, cool. Let's click on that one. Okay, 200 SEO bookmarking guaranteed. Do follow backlinks. All right, cool. $5. Okay, 200 links. Good to go. All right, that's all you need. Just something like that. Okay, takes about a day. 200 do follow guaranteed. What this means is it's going to provide a little bit of link juice, a little bit of flow over to your site. And so if this is the website right here that we're wanting to get traffic to this one right here, what would we do is we'd go and have them put links over to therenton.dentist. Okay? Very simple. That's all we're going to do. Once we go ahead and do that, you're also probably going to get a spreadsheet of all your different accounts with your different the email address and password. And so you can actually go in, click share, and you can share it across all your other accounts, which works extremely well because the more people that actually share this, the better off this one is actually going to do. Okay, so again, just go to Fiverr.com and you'll be good to go. Okay, find people that have a decent rating. Okay, 46 reviews, 5-star rating. That would be a good person. I'd go with that. So after you do that, the next thing is I would add a business description. So let's go back and let's just see if there's somebody here that has a decent description. Okay, let's go back. Keep going back. There we go. Let's find somebody with a description. There probably is not going to be any. If there are, there's going to be very few. All right, let's go to Renton Cafe. Okay, cafes normally do. Right here, there's a description. Warm hangout with light bites and open mic, open until 5 p.m. Okay, so they all have a description. Great. But what most people don't realize is you have 750 words you can use. Now, Google is going to go and check to make sure that edit is within their their terms of service. It's not doing anything harmful to their site. You're not trying to game the system. But that's why I use 700 words. I don't go all the way to 750. 700. Actually, it's 700. It's not word. It's what, syllable? Something like that. It's 700 characters. Okay. It's a 700 character business description, not word. Okay. It's 700 characters. You get 750, that's all you get. So I do about 700, and in those 700 characters, I offer 5 keywords. So it could be something like, renting local cafe. Could be something renting Washington cafe, cafe in Renton, Washington. Yeah, and then I don't know what the cafe, then 98105. That's Seattle, so it's not Renton, but I'm not sure what the area code is for Renton. But you get the idea. I'd go and add 5 different keywords inside that business description, which is, it takes a little bit of time. It probably takes me about 15 to 25 minutes to do it, but it usually comes out and looks okay. The last thing I would do, I would ask the business owner about doing and adding a Google My Business post. So let me explain what that is. So a Google My Business post actually allows you to go in and you can add like an event. You can change things. So it makes it nice that if somebody lands on the Google Maps listing for your business, they're gonna see that you have created this post or this event, and it looks really nice. It's a great way to get people in that maybe would not necessarily go to your business, but by giving them maybe a $5 off new customer. Okay, so if they're a new customer, they come in and okay, they're a brand new customer, have never been to your establishment before, so they get this like a little coupon or something that you can do all this stuff online. But I go ahead and I add that, okay? And so a lot of times I just do like a $5 off new customer deal. And it works. It's extremely effective, but most people don't realize that Google My Business allows you to actually do a post. So when you go into a Google My Business account, which is where I am right now, okay, I'm not going to show you what the business is, but this is what happens when you click on post. It says, what's new? Create a product post. Number 1, showcase a product. Put the focus on one of your new or popular products. Okay, so maybe it's like a pizza place. And so what we could do is we could put focus on like a new pizza. Maybe it's a Canadian bacon, pineapple, and hot dog, or I don't know. Okay, I'm not like a cook, but you get the idea. That could be our new product. And so we're going to give $5 off for anybody that comes in and wants the extra large pizza of the Canadian bacon, pineapple, and hot dog. Okay, you might have to give them more than $5, but you get the idea. You show the price, let customers know how much it costs, and then describe it. Okay, and it's just a great way. Okay, giving a post, or maybe you give like a code that says, make sure you say hot diggity dog special, and I'm gonna give you $10 off. So they come in and say they want the hot diggity dog special, which the only way they would know that is by reading the post, which is on Google Maps. So yes, it does make you $250. Okay. Now, yes, there is, you got to pay, $5, $10, $15, whatever it costs to do the outsourcing, but that's part of what I'm already, I already know I'm going to be paying that. Okay. So I'm not too worried about. And yes, it does take some gas and take some time, and I completely understand that. But if you can earn $250 and you can make $230 profit every single day, it doesn't matter if you have, a million different businesses to go after. All you need are 30 a month, or in shorter months, 28. You get the idea. But all you need is one business a day. The best part about this is you can do 3, 4, 5 different businesses all on one day. So you can pretty much make your $250 every single day consistently, but only work 1 or 2 days a week. And it's very effective. But all you have to do is go out there and get these different businesses to talk to you, okay? to see what you have to offer them. Maybe you have done this in the past. So third thing you can do is show them your past history. Show them some happy customers. Okay, let them know, okay, I did it for this business, and they are more than happy to, be a referral. So if you want to go ahead and call this company and see what I did for them and how I helped, and maybe ask them some questions, you're more than happy to do so. Here's the phone number, here's their name, this is the person you need to contact. Okay, so if you have that, if you have a referral, okay, it makes it very easy. You have a list of happy customers that are willing to take on that call. Yeah, it makes it extremely easy. Okay, so all you gotta do is go out there and talk to these local businesses. Now, when I say local, I seriously mean local. Don't go talk to McDonald's and Walmart and Target and Costco. They really don't care. They have a $1 million budget, probably multi-million, maybe billion-dollar advertising budget, and they don't need you. But these local companies, these local, pet groomers, flower shops, okay, local jewelry, cleaner or something, or maybe a repair person, a local, maybe a car dealership that they're struggling to compete against the big boys. Go find somebody that's small, needs your help. Go find a dentist, okay, that is struggling. Maybe they're brand new and they need some help. Go find maybe you're going to go find a dog walker or a babysitter. They need your help. Go help these people. Go help these customers that they can pay you $250, $500, $1,000 or more. But you just have to offer the right service. What I showed you is an easy $250 every single day. Okay? Every single day using Google Maps. You can earn money daily by doing these things. Okay? It's not that hard. The first time it's complicated. You're trying to figure it out. It's your first time doing anything. And I can tell you right now, when you do something for the first time, whether it's driving, walking, running, diving, or doing Google My Business, okay, it is a little bit hard, a little bit scary, but it's actually pretty easy. You can follow along. People will show you how to do this on YouTube. Google shows you the steps. You can actually send Google an email, and I believe you can still call them and get somebody to help you out through the entire process. Because trust me, it is very easy. You just got to get started. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my free videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.